In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple domains in Hostinger's web hosting using hPanel. Managing multiple domains might seem daunting at first, but with Hostinger the process is intuitive and straightforward, so you can expand your online presence with ease. Let's dive in and walk you through the steps, ensuring you have a firm grasp from start to finish. To get going, you'll want to start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Hostinger website. This is the gateway through which you will access the platform's variety of web hosting services. Once there, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen and click on Login. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Type in your email and password, then hit enter to access your account dashboard. If you don't have an account yet, it's a breeze to create one by following the site's user-friendly sign-up process. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home page of hPanel, Hostinger's control panel. This is essentially your command center where you can manage all aspects of your website hosting experience. Take a moment to familiarize yourself. If this is your first visit here, it's designed to be user-friendly and supports efficient management of different web hosting tasks. Next, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side and locate the Domains option. Clicking here will take you to the Domains section, which is the primary area for managing your existing domains and adding new ones. Your current domains will be displayed here, giving you a clear overview of what you're managing. Now the exciting part, adding a new domain. Within the Domain section, look for a button that says Add New Domain. Clicking this will open up options for adding domains. If you already own a domain elsewhere, you can use it, but here's how to get one through Hostinger. Click on Get a New Domain. This is where you can search for and register new domain names directly through Hostinger. Input your desired domain name in the search bar and see if it's available. It might take a few tries to find one that's not already taken, so you might want to brainstorm a few alternatives beforehand. When you find one that suits your branding, simply follow the prompts to secure your new digital address. And that's it. You've successfully added a new domain through Hostinger's hPanel. Remember to take advantage of the additional features and settings available to customize your website's functionality and appearance to suit your needs. Hostinger also offers excellent customer support, so if you hit any snags or have more questions, don't hesitate to reach out to them. Thank you for watching and happy hosting.